I'm Seth Grinnell from Grinnell's Driving School. Big up Marlon. I'm going to demonstrate the proper and safe way to use a four-way intersection that has 4 stop signs. Alright? Alright, Marlon, let me not take anything for granted. You know what the stop sign means?
It means to stop.
Stop. I like how you say it, like you know it. And where should we stop, Marlon?
The stop sign.
At the stop sign. Now, what we see, Marlon, oftentimes is that people stop where they can see, which a lot of times is in the intersection. That's not the proper way to do it. We stop at the stop sign. Now, what we see a lot of times is that someone will be traveling with this vehicle. No, every person has to come to stop at the stop sign for themselves. What the rule also says, Marlon, at a four-way intersection, the person who reaches first should be allowed to go first. Then we creep to our line of vision. I'm going to make a left turn, so I've indicated left. I creep to ensure it's safe, because I need to ensure that no one's running their stop sign. Now, if you look further ahead, what do we have, Marlon?
Another stop sign.
Another stop sign, right? And what we do, we don't rush go down and stop. We start adjusting our speed, put on my indicator to signal my intention, and I come to a stop. Where, Marlon?
At the stop sign.
At the sign. I once more creep to where? My line of vision, where I can see if it is safe to go, and I don't have to stop here again. I just proceed nice and easy, and I would have merged with the traffic nice and safely. Great, and we're good to go. That's the proper way to use the four-way intersection that is controlled by a stop sign, and of course, a normal T-junction intersection with a stop sign. Thank you, Marlon.
Thank you, sir.